Yeah, good day, welcome to Martinez Design. In the continuation of our 4-bedroom bungalow that we are designing, in this episode we're going to concentrate on different things entirely. So before then, we were able to do this one some previous episode, so we assigned the color and everything. So in probably the last, we were able to do a roof and every other design of this particular roof. If you are the one that always have complexity of the roof, you can check some of the previous tutorial for this particular one. Then in elevation, we were able to do this facial concrete and things like that in the previous one. So in this particular one, we want to detail this elevation and bring the aesthetic out and let everyone see the beauty of this particular design, as we have already shown in our introduction when we started the project actually. So if you are the one who wants to see the way we started the project, you go to the number 1 list on the 4-bedroom, then you see the way we created everything from beginning to this level. So now let us start the proper project of what we want to do. So here now we want to close down this halfway wall that did not touch the roof or concrete, so we want to work on it. So let's go to level 2. At level 2, that is what we want to work on. So you click on wall. So on wall, you use this particular wall. From here now, you change the parameter. Let us say change it to first to duplicate it. Duplicate this one, and then you click wall tiny. Just call it tiny. Just call it like that. Call it tiny. So 12mm tiny. So I'm going to use that and change its size to something like 50. I don't want it too big in any way, so 50 is okay by me. So I'm going to do that, and I say okay. I just want the size to change. That's it. So what I might do at the wall edge, I'm going to place that, let it flow. Good. Let it flow here and close down here. That's where I want them to be. So this one, the same thing at this particular point. So let it flow in the middle. Let it flow like that, and then you close it here. And this one particularly again, let it flow from here. So let's stop here, go to this place, and then stop here as well. So when you go to your 3, so you see what you have created. This is the wall. So it's all cut across. That is the detailing aspect. So the whole gives space to this, and they secure the position. So the next thing is that we want to, on the plan, I have to open this place. And what am I going to use? Curtain wall for that. So use curtain wall, architecture, curtain wall, scroll down, then front. So here you use it and you create. This is 800 that have been connected, but you are going to increase it. So increase this one. Let's say we have 500. It's a long one we want to use. So you put it this one here, and you say secure the 2600. So you match that. It's just going to be 2. Escape. So you go to elevation to go and see what you've done. So you say okay, and something is there that is now close. So you do this one, and you say 1. You do this one, and you say 2000. No, now let us change this back. I'm going to change this one to 20,000. And I do the same thing again. 2000. Okay, I think the height, so they are a little bit above this and they are secure on that level. So I've secured that as it's like that. Now I want to use this to create a coping around the window side and every area that I needed. So you copy this and you click and you paste it here. So escape, edit it, and then you go to say level 1. So all the area you know that you need these things are going to be there for you. So the best thing for you is that you align everything to the wall. So align them to your wall and then take a proper shape in the wall. And if something is wrong with that one, anyway, leave it. So this one will be good. So align this one. So this one will go around, and it is not all this we need because I just want to secure one side then mirror it to the other side. So I'm going to delete these ones. I don't need them. Delete all these ones. So I want to secure only one side. Delete this side to this side. So I'm deleting this one. So this is the side I want to secure for now. So click finish and say profile. Open it from the south and spill few. From this side now, you are deleting this. I don't need it. So I'm creating another special profile for this. So creating this for me like this. So click finish and you see it follow that side. Can you see? So you can now mirror and let it come here if you want to use it. So any area you want to use, it's now become the reference plane, it's something for you. So here now you copy this, copy from here and secure it here. So at that point you edit it, sweep. So edit then you go to level 1 and check what you've done, whether this is right or not. So delete this, so move this one, move, and you secure it somewhere at this point. So then you align this to a space, you draw it around about this, you draw it around here. So finish. So when you go to your elevation again, you know we are doing detailing of elevation, so it's more tedious. So go to the each side to go and see what you've done in that area. So when you are doing things like this, a lot of idea come to you, a lot of things comes to, so you just need to continue concentrating your effort and continue to build. So that's what you need to do. So you're done with that. So there's space here, we are going to work on that later. So you secure that aspect. So this one now again, edit in place. So you click here and you say mirror. Does it work? Control search, click and say mirror. Good. So the mirror, then edit it now. So you now say edit parts, come to level 1. So you are going to edit this area and put it in the proper perspective. So the next thing that you did, delete this one, move this, say copy, move, say move, and drop it to this last point. So and then you begin to do the old things around this area. So you close it down. Fine. So arrange and secure the whole space for yourself. Click finish. So when you go back to east, you see the space is what is secure. So that is the way you design all these things. So you now can bring this one, you can make use of it to cover the opening of the ground. So when you do that, you just copy and bring it down here. So you focus your attention on what you are doing. So edit this one, then edit the profile. So go to start elevation, then click edit profiling here, adjust it to down to go to the ground. So now you do what you may delete this, especially, then just draw another one. Here you draw something like in this way. See finish. So you click finish here. This one will go around that point. So you edit again. You copy this one again. Then you now edit it. Say edit profile. You see, you are securing more profile from profile, but don't matter about this reference point because it does not have anything to do with the components. It's just for you, reference point for drawing. So you delete this one, then you start a fresh. So you click here and you put it here. So you delete, you click finish. So you secure that side. Then you need to come here and edit this material official. So you secure this one and say okay, duplicate the material, go to graphics, select, and then we come to the material updating. Then you choose appearance. I just want to use siding, then I'm going to use this particular one. So let it update and update itself. The moment it's updated, then you can make use of it. See, click finish. So when you go to what you do now, you can double click and see that okay, then come here and say realistic view. What do you do? So I then click here, double click and close it down. So this is what you have. So you see the beauty of the elevations are coming out one after the other. So this one now you can copy it and secure it around the whole space. So all the area that you know that this one is needed, you do it all around. So what I want to do now is to mirror it. Copy this one and see mirror it now. We are there. Then you can go and edit them one after the other. And what is the editing? You just need to edit the parts alone. You don't need to edit the whole something again. So click on the parts, edit the parts, secure it. So drag. If you're still interested in dragging it, drag. If there's no space, if there's no entrance, so at this side you can close it. So any area you know that is needed, you do that at the place. So you align wherever it's necessary. So you click and say finish. You finish it. So here you go to material and go and change this graphics pattern. So the for cutting you don't need this, just saying come here, click up and say no pattern. So it's gone. So now you go to this place, then you go back to the elevations, click on this one again, edit, and say edit the parts. The same way you did to that one, you do the same thing here again. So the parts now you align. You know you secure the profile, so all you just need just to work on the parts to secure the space for yourself. So you do that, and then you continue with the lines. So let the line continue. And then you are done. So trim the remaining side. So when you look at it from the elevation, everything is secure for you if that is what you have. But if it's not what you genuinely need, you delete them and you move to another level. So that is what you have to secure at this junction. So for this to be here, you need to check on 3D whether what you are doing is accurate and is successful and it's your taste. So this is what you have around this place. So you put your flower all around these edges. So that is how you do. You can create a flower pot inside this one and say control, go to south and say control, say copy, then press 1. So from there you say edit sweep and edit what profile. So the profile is what you need. So edit the profile, then you change this one, you close this one down, escape. So delete this and you delete this. So bring this up and then you finish it. Then you change this material to of the profile, then you duplicate it and you change it to grass. Ceramic, let's say grass. Site work. So you choose anyone like this, just choose this one and say okay. So finish. When you go to your 3D as you have speculated, you see what you've done. Then you come here and on the reality. So that is it. So the building is coming out and everything is in place, and that is it. So you do that at that point. So you carry this one, you can do it around this place as well. So the next thing we need to do is to create step here. So you put the side, east side, at the east side, expand this crop region if you have the close aspect like that too. Expand the crop region, update. So when you update it, so you click here because of the dragging issue. So hidden line, then open this wide and of the shadow. Now what we want to do is to create this. We are in the mode edit. So we want to use create and say create, use extrusion to create what we want to create. So you secure this particular band and you start doing your steps from halfway of this 300, 180. So you can press escape, and from here now begin to copy all this from here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, whatever we done. Escape. Copy, close this. So you say copy, I think it's done. So you can decide to now draw and close it up to finish it. So that is your go to south elevation and drag it to secure a step for your design. So this one is a part 1 elevation design that we have put in place. So we have done this and we are seeing the beautiful pressure of the design we have done. So you go around, you can mirror this one now, edit, come to foundation, and you say rotate. So you rotate here rotate with copy. So you do like this and you change it to 90 degree. So this one will move and you put it here. Beautiful. So you have that and you look at it from 3D, it's secure. So what you need next is this particular one. So you go to here and you say edit, go to your east, or what you just need to edit the elevation, say edit profile. So at the profile you just need to draw to meet up with this. So take this one up as well and you do what it follows. So they will definitely join themselves together if since they are the same family. So click here and say finish. Can you see? So everything is close. So that is the simple idea of what we are doing here. So you can decide to see realistic and see how far. So when you double click here, check it. So it's gone. So that is the elevation for this level. So in the next one we are going to be more details and get more analysis to the very best presentation to your knowledge. So thanks for watching this one. Kindly like and comment. At the same time, if you have not subscribed before, subscribe to this channel and watch us as we are doing more of this tutorial on daily basis.